Plausibly. The word plausibly is an adverb that is used to indicate that something is believable or likely to be true. It suggests that there is a reasonable or logical basis for the statement or argument being made. When someone says something plausibly, they are implying that it is a reasonable assumption or explanation. Here are some examples to help illustrate the usage of plausibly. 1. She plausibly explained her absence by saying she had car trouble. In this example, the person was absent from an event, but they provided a believable reason for their absence. It is reasonable to assume that car trouble could cause someone to miss an event. 2. The detective plausibly deduced that the suspect was at the crime scene based on the fingerprints found. In this scenario, the detective used logical reasoning to come to a believable conclusion. The presence of fingerprints at the crime scene made it plausible that the suspect was there. 3. The scientist plausibly hypothesized that the increase in temperature was causing the ice to melt faster. Here, the scientist made a reasonable assumption based on their knowledge of how temperature affects ice. It is logical to suggest that higher temperatures could lead to faster melting. 4. The politician plausibly argued that implementing stricter gun control laws would reduce crime rates. In this case, the politician presented a logical argument that stricter gun control laws would have a positive impact on reducing crime. The argument is based on the assumption that limiting access to firearms would make it harder for criminals to obtain them. Overall, plausibly is used to convey the idea that something is believable or has a logical basis. It is often used when presenting explanations, arguments, or hypotheses that are likely to be true or reasonable.